Welcome back to this ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day. Here's the latest look at that system that's going to be bringing us the potential for strong to severe storms later on this afternoon. We're in the warm sector of this low pressure system, which means warmer air being funneled in. That's going to be pretty humid as well as that air comes in from the Gulf of Mexico. It's bringing warmth and moisture, which are very necessary for storm development. We're going to be seeing those storms really after sunset tonight. We could see a few pop-up storms ahead of the line, but the main threat's going to be forming just to our north and east. The latest guidance is suggesting that maybe that will almost miss us and head a little bit closer to that St. Louis metro, but we're still going to be seeing our fair share of some storms. Here's a look at 3 a.m. You'll notice, like I said, most of that sliding along that Mississippi River, but by 6 a.m. on Saturday morning, more lines of storms can be pushing into the area. Now, our severe threat will greatly diminish by the time that rolls around, so tomorrow morning will be probably a little bit noisy, but not much of a severe threat. Flooding going to be a concern, though, as we continue on through the day as that rain continues to push southeast through the viewing area. We'll have a brief break before more showers and storms pop up late Saturday evening. Now, 5 p.m. here, not quite as organized. Few spot showers and storms, but the most organization is going to be coming in our southwestern portion of the viewing area near the Lake of the Ozarks. Again, we're looking at the potential for some stronger storms, not necessarily severe, but we could see a few fire a little bit more aggressively. The good news is by Sunday, most of that's going to clear out, but we'll continually see the wraparound of some showers and storms throughout the day on Sunday. Most of our flooding threat going to come on Saturday, really overnight tonight into tomorrow. Our severe threats for today a little bit higher along that initial line. We're looking at gusty conditions along that line. Flooding going to be a huge concern with that saturated ground. We can't rule out some hail, nor can we rule out a few possible tornadoes, especially along that initial development. So we're going to be here tracking it, of course, keeping you updated. But if you have to narrow it down for the biggest concern this weekend, I'd probably say that flooding again. The bulk of this moisture can be hitting right where we saw all that moisture hit just a little while ago. The ground hasn't dried out yet. While those rivers have really gone back to normal and those local areas have really decreased in that flooding, we're still looking at a lot of moisture in that area and unfortunately more moisture inbound over the weekend. We'll continue to track some leftovers from this system through Monday, but then we'll dry out for Tuesday. An important thing to note, it's going to be much cooler on Sunday and Monday with temperatures in those upper 70s. Might be a good day to open up the windows and just try to let things air out. But I would definitely keep an eye on the radar no matter what you do this weekend.